When the season is over, my peaches still look like they were picked yesterday. I keep them in a jar all year round. I will wash the peaches first because I only use clean and healthy fruit for canning. Choose firm and healthy fruits. Remove soft peaches. I will cut it in half and remove the pit. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I need clean and washed jars. I put the peaches in the jars, but I don't press them. Do not fill the jars to the top. I need the juice of 1 lemon. I add a spoonful of lemon juice to each jar. Acidity is an important part of safe canning. I will fill the jars with water to cover the peaches. I will wipe the top of the jar so that the lid closes well. Close the jars with clean lids. I need a pan. Put a cloth on the bottom of the pan, and I put the jars in the pot. Pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars cool, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.